Hey everybody, welcome to Sugar Bean Game Squad. I'm Ethan.
I'm Jed.
And I hope you liked our intro that was just played. We're just going to play like one episode of White Noise. We're not going to turn it into a series, so I'm going to put it on Nightmare with a random location. I'm going to be Velma Dinkerwinkles because she looks like Velma Dinkley from fucking Scooby-Doo. Everyone doesn't particularly say this is a horror game.
It's poo, but Ethan's a faggot, he'll get scared anyway.
I get scared just about everything. And the video quality is actually really good. Like I think it's just because that one spot of light I have is my flashlight in the game. I'm sorry. Yeah, so the video quality is actually pretty good. It's just I only have a certain fucking light. Off. On. Hey, yeah! We found our first tape, Jed.
Whoa.
Not even pay attention. He's on his fucking phone.
I am playing Dragon City.
Screw you, Dragon
It's
City.
just got updated, okay?
Everybody add Jed on Dragon City. If anyone plays Clash of Clans,
Wait,
play it with
leave comment if you like Dragon City, because Ethan says it's shit, okay? I think it's a pretty good for a Facebook game.
Post in the comments. This, we did just make another video, but it didn't save, for fuck's sake.
Ethan shit, we all know.
I think we should just stick to, like, either 10-minute episodes or terrible quality. Which one do you think?
10-minute videos.
Yeah. Because then people will love us for quality. Because, like, 1080p. You looking at me. You looking at me. You want some, brah? Want some, brah?
It is a tree.
Okay, still want some. You're not seeing Lord of the Rings? It's an end.
Wow!
Shut up!
You're a little pussy.
Jed, I don't like it.
Wait, don't you dare go turn the light on.
Turn the light on.
Oh.
Pussy out, dude. I'm bitching out, Jed. Bitching out.
Stop being a little pussy.
This is not going to be a 10-minute episode.
Why, you gonna piss yourself?
No, max it'll be 7 and I'll die. Oh god. Get away from me. I fucking hear it. It's on me bum. Should I turn around?
Yeah.
Oh no. Ah! What the you fucking prick!
You little faggot. I literally sat behind you.
I know, but you touched me and shit yourself.
I was like, I'm gonna wait for you to want to turn around on the screen. It's good, but
That was a legitimate fear.
he just keeps checking around.
Oh, why am I heading towards him?
You know you can run, right?
Yeah.
Run then.
Yeah, but look at the video. You can see the stars. Ah, they're beautiful. There's Orion's belt, and
There's not that many stars in the sky.
sure.
So she.
I am going to die in like 2 minutes or less.
Ethan thought he'll try and make it all scary for him, so he turned the light off, and now he only wants to turn it back on.
Yeah, turn on.
No. Stop being a little faggot. It's a game.
Ah!
For fuck's sake, Ethan.
I'm not as bad as Jack on 7 days.
No, Outlast, when he turns the fucking night vision on, when he gets scared by it.
Even night vision. No, wait, night vision is not scary. But Outlast is like.
No, he got scared by the noise when it turns on. That's what made him jump. Turning the night vision on.
I'm gonna die. I know I'm gonna die. I don't like this.
When we do horror games, I think that's when we should have face cam for like if there's jump scares and shit.
When we do horror games, I don't think I should play them.
No, you're playing with.
Oh, why?
We're gonna take it in turns.
Yeah. Ah! Where the fuck is it? Oh, there's it.
Ew, so bad.
Sure.
Run. Bionic Welsh.
It's my uncle, alright?
Wow.
Shut up. Oh, just kill me already.
What, so you can shit your pants?
No, I'll be fine because I don't know what happens. Come on, Velma Dinkley. Fucking keep going.
It's like Trista running.
Yeah, but she's actually skinny.
I know. Why is she out of breath?
I don't know.
She runs for like 5 seconds.
Oh god!
Oh, he's gonna
Oh
kill you.
god!
He's gonna rape
Oh
your
god!
ass.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! He's gonna stick that giant fucking white thing. He's gonna pelvis my asshole. Oh god! Jed, protect my bumhole.
Turn around.
No!
Turn around.
No!
Ignore what they all say for our kids. Just turn around, have a look. It'll
No.
be fine. It'll be fine.
No, it won't. Ah, it's fine.
Ah!
Oh god. Should I
Yeah,
go hide
go
in the
there.
cabin?
Go
Should I
in
go
there.
hide in the cabin?
Yeah,
Just
let's
say-
hide in an abandoned cabinet in the middle of nowhere when there's some weirdo trying to kill you. Yeah.
Wait, I could just go
fine.
and stand in the corner. It's fine. Oh, a tape.
As soon as you get there, you're gonna
I'm gonna chill in here.
Wow, 2.
Screw the tips.
2.
Screw the tips, dude.
2.
Screw the tips.
Just go, stop with the fag.
Nope.
I'll play them.
Nope. He doesn't know I live here.
Yes, he does.
No, he doesn't.
He does.
Do you know why he doesn't know I live here? Because I don't live here. He doesn't know I'm here. Come on, bitch. You want to take some? You want some? I'll give it you.
You got no fans.
You've got no friends.
You got no ground.
You want some?
I'll give it you.
I'll give it you. Step out, might die. Come on then, you ugly faced prick. Come on then. Come on then. Go on, Jed, rap. Stop tapping me on the back, and it's you.
There you go.
Alright.
Wow, look down.
Sescadu. This is some risky business here. Risky business.
Wow.
Do you think he wants a hug?
Go give him one.
No.
Right.
Look
He
at that
looks
creepy ass head.
friendly.
No, he doesn't. He looks like a seaman wolf.
Why has he got muscles on his forehead?
I don't know.
Is he that buff that he literally like lifts weights with his forehead?
Do you know on Castle Crashers?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's been eating bear sandwiches. You want some? Do you want some? I'll give it you. Oh god, the flashlight's running out. Jed, I'm not fucking retarded, I know it's you!
Well, you were retarded at school.
Yes, because I don't care. Ah! Think you can hide from me, dear? I can see your dumb ass head. Oh, he's gone.
Fuck.
He's like, oh no! Ah! He can see me! Oh no! He's so scary. He, like, grabs me. Ah!
It's like, you come with me.
You're like, fucking.
You're gonna gargle mayonnaise.
You're gonna gag your mayonnaise? No. He pulls my trousers down. Oh god.
Wow.
Should I go say hello?
Yes. Just look at it.
No, because I want it to scare me so that we can entertain the viewers. Ah!
Oh, fuck.
Got you then.
You made me jump by screaming.
Oh god!
Oh, you're such a dick. You scared the shit out of me. It wasn't even the guy, it was you. You sounded like a 6-year-old girl like screaming. Ah.
Oh god!
You're such a penis.
It's like you fucking grasping your hat for dear life. It's like shit. Let's actually see if I did well, because this is like where I went, and every exclamation mark is where I went. Like he went ding and I went ah.
Honestly, where the last one went. If it fucking jumps out again, I'm gonna cry.
He fucking screams.
So
What am I doing?
Around.
Oh yeah.
I think that one was in the cabin. That's the second video you got.
Yeah. Bah! Oh.
Fuck it.
I felt scared the fucking viewers. Just scared the shit out of Jack because he's fucking watching it. Yeah, Jack, you got a shout out. Oh, dude.
What?
I forgot to mention him.
Jack,
Do you
you're a dickhead.
know, no, yeah, you're a dick. But in the other video, we give a shout out to my mum.
Oh yeah.
For being Bay and buying us a microphone adapter.
Oh, that Jack fancies them.
Anyway, it's coming to 10 minutes. Bye.
Bye.
Velma Dinkley. Velma Dinkley. Jinkies. Jinkies, Shaggy. Rex.
Are you legit filming this?
Yeah. Where's Scoob? Reggie.
How is that going in?
This is Fred. This is fucking. That's Daphne. Wolf Joe.